Abdullahi Dahie is a fourth-year engineering student at the University of Hormuud in Mogadishu with the dreams of starting his own car factory in the near future.
Whatever we learned in the university should not only be theory, it should be practical. Hard work and mechanical engineering skills that will allow us to use these skills to our benefit.
Abdullahi decided to build a car from the ground up with the help of his fellow students. They sourced locally available materials, but without proper training and a state-of-the-art garage, it took the engineers a whole year to make just one prototype at a cost of around $5,000. They raised money from their own pockets and university funds, and the venture has attracted a lot of positive reviews locally.
We believe that we can get even more youths who can come up with such initiatives if they get support and motivation. There are more youths with different skills and talents, but the country is still underdeveloped.
Somalia imports almost all its cars from Japan. Economic analysts say the country has a long way in manufacturing its own vehicles, but believe this is the first step in opening up opportunities for youths in other fields.
The government can support the youth by providing a platform that allows them to create more products and also improve the laws of the country to open more opportunities.
The World Bank says sub-Saharan Africa is projected to remain the fastest growing economic region in the world, and with that comes increased spending, particularly for the continent's middle class looking to splurge on products including new personal vehicles. But even though this locally made car is not roadworthy yet, people here say the road to innovation is wide open. Somalia imports almost everything, meaning it has a large trade deficit with different countries. The first Made in Somalia car initiative is the first of its kind, bringing hope to a younger population that is keen in seeking ways to improve their country. Mohammed Mahmoud, TRT World, Mogadishu.